Welcome in Craft and Design 3.0. And for my dear audience, in this video, I will describe some different and much beautiful ideas of metal made furniture or metal made tables or metal made different home things. So, dear audience, metal furniture is furniture made with metal parts, iron, carbon steel, aluminium, brass, and stainless steel. And iron and steel products are extensively used in many applications, ranging from office furnishing to outdoor settings. So, cast iron is used mainly for outdoor finishing and setting, such as those used for bench legs and solid iron tables. So it is suited to outdoor use due to its hardness, heaviness, and general tough composition. So the main disadvantage is is that it being a relatively pure form of iron is subject to corrosion at the hand of the moisture and air. So, dear audience, stainless steel is used extensively for most modern interior furnishing involving metal. Many hinge slides, sport and body pieces are composed of stainless. So, it has a high tensile strength, allowing it to be applied using hollow tubes, reducing weight and increasing user accessibility. So, aluminium is light and cohesion resistant. It is heavily utilized for stamped and cast furniture, especially for molded chair. So, metal furniture is a popular choice of furnishing, especially used outdoor for decks and patios. So, however, metal furniture can also be used indoors, such as brass bed, brass tables, iron backers, racks, and metal choreo cabinet. So, dear audience, when we define its history, then around 1840, James Baby and Company produced one of the earliest product of mass produced cast iron sitting in America, an example of which is held by Smithsonian Institution as Invono 980.006. So, steel indoor and outdoor furniture has been popular in the US since the 20th, around 1925. Marcel Brouwer, the Bauhaus furniture designer and architect, began working with tubular steel, having been impressed with the lightweight and the strength of the handbell of a bicycle. So the resulting furniture designs by Brewer and other using this material are some of the most important of the period. So in the United States during the 1930s, designers such as Gilbert Rohed and Wolfgang Hoffman specialized in indoor tubular chrome plated furniture, while Warren M. Arthur was a prominent maker of high end aluminum tubular furniture. So, but production of metal furniture came to a sudden halt when the United States entered World War II and factories began churning out products supporting the war effort. So after the war ended, those same factories necessarily switched to making products for peacetime pursuits. So urban industry, for example, began production of metal on furniture and giant sets in 1940 and stopped it by the end of 1941 when the US entered in the war. So, dear audience, when the war ended, a new consumer society developed and Alvin began producing products for the home, such as electric iron and ironing board and waffle makers and radios, and 1949 by its first television set. It almost began once again to manufacture outdoor steel furniture. But by the 1950s, in addition to tubular steel, furniture was produced using aluminium, wire mesh, and legs made of thin steel and rods that give mid-century furniture its distinctive splayed leg light on its feet look. So, dear audience, when we talk about its beneficial purpose, it can be a different benefits in our real life, like as for growing a plant or for growing by making a lamp line in a home, for best furnituring or best tabular tables, many others. So, dear audience, when we talk about this, its beneficial durability is a main benefit advantage of metal furniture. For example, not many types of non-metal furniture can remain outside during winter and still look good when spring arrives. If cared of properly, metal furniture can last up to 30 years. So, because most metal furniture is treated for rust and heat resistance, it does not need much maintenance. So, dear audience, if we talk about the types of metal or kinds of metal, then it can be a different type and a different kind. Usually, metal furniture is made from either steel or aluminium. Steel furniture is typically more expensive when it is used as furniture, with the price varying according to the type of metal and thickness. However, it is hard to identify, yet after finish is applied, steel has low, so medium or high carbon, with most metal furniture being made with low carbon because it is a cheaper. So stainless steel is good for low maintenance. But wrought iron is used for garden furniture. It is heavy, which is useful on windy days. It needs much care and can easily rust and corrode if not waterproofed. So aluminum is more common than steel furniture, mostly because it does not rust, although it oxidizes, turning into a chalky and white. So it is also lighter than steel, but cost and heavy tube aluminum give better quality. So aluminum has to be thicker than steel. If it is to have has such strength, then tubular aluminum is flexible and less sturdy. So however, its lightness make for an ideal poolside furniture and is mainly used for benches, folding chair, and swing sets, and so many. So when we types of finishes, then choosing the right finish of metal furniture is important because of its durability. So some of the most common finishes include chrome plating, PVDF, plastic, painted, brass, and raised finishes. So chrome plating, although durable, is thin and if damaged. Where it is exposed to air, scratches can rust. So, plastic coated finishes are synthetically made and good as they prevent rusting or the metal changing color from air exposure. And although they are as strong as paint finishes, they don't hold up as well as electroplated finishes. So, as paint finishes are of both steel and aluminium furniture, although it easily scratches and rust. So, dear audience, I think that my video and my idea are much interesting for you. If my video and idea are interesting for you, then like my video and subscribe my channel and share my channel. So, thank you very much, guys. Once again, thank you very much.